Hello, boss. This is your student researcher, and I really do apologize. I haven't been able to send my stuff in a timely manner. Yeah, I have everything all set. But when I sent it to you, I probably chose like somebody with the last name as yours. So I probably sent it to the wrong person. And since I was at work, I wasn't able to like use the government computer to uh, send the files to you. Now I'm looking for my stuff. It's in pictures, and it's over here. Yeah. So I have all these videos made, and then I'm trying to put the relevant ones into like a video form. Just like you said you wanted a movie, I wanted to do that. And then the pictures, I actually put all of them in a Word file and then did a little bit of a description to it. So when it hits you on your end, you see what exactly that I'm trying to talk about. I don't know, for some reason my Word software is taking forever to load. So let's just give it a little bit of time. So in this video, this one right here, this is the secondary structure of DHFR, and then looking at the description below, saying the secondary structure of DHFR, the 8 beta sheets shown in yellow, 4 helices shown in red, and the loops shown in green. This is a picture that I took from PyMol. And then this is the same secondary structure representation, like the little blue portion showing the MET20 loop that helps in catalysis. That actually, it actually stabilizes the nicotinamide ring in the NADPH, and for that reason it's involved with catalysis. And this one is a blob of DHFR, and then the various colors representing the beta sheet and the alpha helices and stuff like that. And then there's another picture that is having having it with like NADPH, and then this arrow is showing the phosphate group portion that is not involved with catalysis. NADPH shown in blue color right here, and then this one is the same picture, NADPH, found in the active site of DHFR, and then this arrow is showing the nicotinamide ring that is involved in catalysis. And then the last picture is DHFR complex with NADPH and folate or dihydrofolate in magenta, and NADPH in blue, showing or representing the active site of DHFR. And then this is another picture. It's almost like the same thing that I talked about earlier, just that it's like in a different representation. Now, yeah, this one right here is DHFR in a secondary structure complex with NADPH in blue and dihydrofolate in magenta. Yeah, so the pictures that you were talking about, I have them like all set up and then beautifully formatted in a Word file. So I'll add that to the email. And then for the video, this is what I have here. I actually tried to add a little bit of sound to it, but all the software that I've had, trying to tailor all the videos that I've made from PyMol together into one. This one I can have sound added to it, and for some reason when I save the project that I've done, it's only open in the software that I use to do this, and it cannot be open in Windows Media Player or any other media player file. So in this video, as explained, this is the secondary structure of dihydrofolate reductase, the blue part showing the MET20 loop. And in this second video, I have the secondary structure of dihydrofolate reductase. The magenta portion showing the MER20 loop. The blue portion here is NADPH, and then the red portion, sorry, let's go back again. Yeah, the cyan portion is dihydrofolate. The blue is NADPH, and then the whole structure. And then in this video, this is a blob of dihydrofolate reductase having NADPH situated in the active site, and it's going to turn around to show the phosphate group, just like I'm using the cursor to show the phosphate group that is not involved with catalysis. And the camera is also going to zoom in to show the nicotinamide ring that is involved with catalysis. Here we go, it's about to do that for us. So we zoom into the active site to take a look at the nicotinamide ring of NADPH that is involved with catalysis. And then the last video, this is a complex of NADPH in red, in blue that is folate, and then this is dihydrofolate reductase. So far this is the video that I've been able to come up with. I have a lot of other videos, and this video is zooming in to show the active site having NADPH and then full dihydrofolate. So yeah, this is what I've been able to come up with, but I'm still looking for other softwares that I can use to put all the videos that I've been able to come up with together. I hope this one looks cleaner than the one that I came home to show you. And most definitely, I'm not working in the military, so I'll be on campus and then we can work again. And thanks for your tolerance. I really do I appreciate what you do for me, boss. So this is the end of the video. I'm about to send it to you because my apologies, I wasn't able to send it earlier, like I said. So yeah, that is what I've been able to come up with.